Hello, children. How are you all? Welcome back to the next session of online class. In previous classes, I said you to have a small prayer, right? I hope you all are doing the prayer, right? Okay, shall we go into our lesson? Mathematics? Okay, in the last class we have finished Unit 4, right? So, we'll start with a new lesson, that is Unit 5, Time. Okay, so in this lesson we'll learn about calendar. We all will have calendars in our houses, right? Everyone will have calendar in the house, right? Where we'll have? On the wall, right? But we don't know how to see a calendar. Simply our parents will do. They'll hang it and they'll see the dates, but we don't know anything regarding that. But today we'll learn what is calendar. Okay, what is calendar, how we have to see it. Okay, now do you all know the days in a week? See here, can you join this line in page number 51? Can you join the line? You'll get a nice apple if you join it correctly. The first day is Sunday, second is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Right? So, we can learn days by joining the dots here. Now, the second one. We have learned months also, right? First month is January. Next, February. Third is March. Fourth, April. Fifth, May. Sixth, June. Seventh, July. Eighth, August. Ninth, September. 10th, October. 11th, November. And the last, 12th, December. Okay. There are how many months? 12 months. How many days? 7 days. 12 months. Right? So, we have 7 days and 12 months. See here, 1 week means 7 days. 1 week, this fully from Sunday to Saturday, that is called 1 week. That is 7 days. 1 month means 30 days. So, from January to February, how many days will be there? 30 days will be there. 1 year means how many months? Full, from January to December, 12 months. That is called 1 year, 1 full year. From January to December. Again, January 1st, we will celebrate New Year. That is another year. That's why we call it as New Year. Okay, from January till December 31st, that is called 1 year. How many months will be there? 12 months. So, 1 year will have how many days? 365 days. How many days? We have 12 months and 365 days. Okay, and 1 leap year will have 366 days. Now, what is this, miss? New term you said, leap year. What is this leap year? Leap year means in February month we will see 29 days. Okay, 29 days. Okay, but it occurs once in every 4 years. Only once in every 4 years only we'll see 29 days in February month. Okay, rest all the years, rest all the 3 years, we'll find only 28 days. That is why 1 year 365 days, but 1 leap year every 4 years once only February will be having 29 days. That is why that is called leap year, and we'll have 366 days. 366 days. Okay. Understood? So when leap year will come, occurs every 4 years once. Okay, 4 years once. Remember that. Now can we fill this now? See here, answers will be here and we can fill it very easily. Right? Now, a year has dash days. How many days are there? 1 year has 365 days. There are dash days in a week. How many days in a week? 7 days. 12 months are dash a year. 12 months make 12 months 1 year. So 1 year. A month has dash days. Month how many days? 30 days. The first month of the year is, what is the first month? January. First day of a week. What is the first day? First day is Sunday. Okay, very easy, no? Very easy to see the calendar. Now I'll teach you what is calendar, everything. Okay, in this lesson we'll find out. See, this is 2019 calendar. So see here, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All 12 months will be there, right? And if you see here, Sunday, S-U-N means Sunday, M-O-N, Monday, T-U-E, Tuesday, W-E-D, Wednesday, T-H-U, Thursday, F-R-A, Friday, S-A-T, Saturday. See, for all the months, these all days will be there. See, from starting from Sunday till Saturday, Sunday till Saturday. See here, the last one also Sunday till Saturday, right? Okay. Now see, January 1st is on which day? Tuesday. See up, these all things are Tuesday. This full line is in Wednesday. So 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. This is fully Tuesday. Okay, this is fully Wednesday. This is fully Thursday. Okay, it's fully Friday. This is Saturday. Like this, it is arranged. All the things. See, all the months arranged in one order. Okay, so see, January 1st. January 1st is on Tuesday. Okay, see what February 1st. February 1st is on Friday. March 1st, Friday. April 1st, Monday. May 1st, Wednesday. June 1st, Saturday. See? Understood? Understood? Now, this is 2020, the year which we are having now. This is 2020 calendar. See here, January 1st is on Wednesday. See, even here also Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, until December it is there like this. See, this is both the calendars to make you understand. So here January 1st is Tuesday. Here January 1st is Wednesday. So it will change according to the year. Okay, the days and dates will be changed according to the year. Every year the days will be changing and the dates will be changing. See here, first is on Tuesday, but here Wednesday. Here see Friday, here Saturday. February 1st is on Saturday. So it will change. Okay, so that's why I made a comparison here. Okay children, now let's go into our subject. See, Mahatma Gandhi was born in 2nd October. When he is born? 2nd October 1869. Okay, so how we'll write? First 2, date 2. October. October means which month? January 1, February 2. Like that, October will be 10th month. Okay, date is 2nd. 2nd is 2, date. Month is 10. What is year? 1869 year. Okay, so we have to write date, month, year. Okay, can you write your date of birth here? First you write your date. If you are born in which year, like 1990. Okay, if you are born in 1990 or something, you just write your first you write your date, then month, which month, third month. Okay, third month means March. March means 3. Okay, second March. Second March means 203. And what is the year? 2000. Which one? Which year you are born? You have to write here. 2010, 2010, 2011, 2011. Okay, 2012. Okay, 2012. Like that you have to write. Understood? So write here your date of birth. Okay. Now what is today's date? You write. First thing, write today's date. Second one, write your birthday. Okay. In the same way, today's date is, what is today's date? What is your birthday? Okay, birthday date. Okay, you just write your birthday like date, month and year. Okay, children, understood? So today's date will be 14. Then which month we are now? September. What is September? What is September? 09. So 14/09 and which year? 2020. Okay. Same way you write your date of birth also, your birth date. Okay. Next, see here. In this we have to circle the dates which they asked in the question. Okay. So we have to circle the dates. See, the date 4th January 2018. 4th January, where it is? Here. Right? Next, the date 15th January 2018. 15th January. Okay. Then 22nd February. February month. Next, 31st January. 31st January. Now the date 28th February. 28th February. Next, here see, 5/2/2018. 2 means February. So 5. 5/2 February. Next, 26/01. 01 is January 26th. Next, the Sunday date in January 2018. See, this is all Sunday dates only. Okay. So this is the way we have to circle it. Okay, children, understood? See the next one. Next one, you have to find the age of the students in your classroom. Okay, if you know, you just write your friends' names in near to your houses. Okay, now due to this lockdown we cannot come to school, so what you do, you just write your friends in your near to your house. Okay, write your friend's name, date of birth and age. Okay, friend's name, 5 friends name, date of birth and age. Next, even this one also you have to fill your family members date of birth. Okay, your father, mother, brother, sister. So date of birth and 15th birthday and 40th birthday and today's age. What is today's age? Okay, today's age. Just see nicely with your parents' help, you just do it. Okay, children. See, now this is the calendar of 2018. Okay, so seeing this calendar, we have to fill Teachers' Day is on which day? Okay, Teachers' Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, Children's Day. Okay, if possible, you find this. Okay, children, find this using this calendar. You all know when is Teachers' Day, when is Independence Day. Teachers' Day is already finished. Many of you wished me. Thank you for that. Yes, 5th September. Next, Independence Day, August 15. Republic Day, 26th January. Children's Day, November 14th. Okay, next, you have to match this one. we have to match this one. So see, November 15, 2018, November 15, 2018. So we have to match this one. Okay, November means which month? November is which month? 11th. So 11th, 15 date, 11th month 2018. Okay, then June 16, 2018. June is which month? 6th month. So we should not get confused. Okay, June is 6th month. 16 6 2018. Next, 26 April. 26 April. April. 26 May. So see here, May. May means 5th month. April is 4th month. Okay, then next, December 10th. December 10th. Okay, children, understood? You just mark it as the numbers. Okay, the first one is this one, second one is this one, third is first one, 4 and 5. Okay, understood? So shall we go to the next one, assignment session? So today's assignment, there is one calendar here. Okay, and you have to fill in this blanks. First one, number of days in October 18, 2018 is how many days are there totally? You have to write it. The number of Sundays, how many Sundays are there? The first Saturday is on, first Saturday, when it is 6th. Last day of the month, what is the last day of the month? Wednesday. The 10th day of this month, what is the 10th day? Again 10, Wednesday. The third Wednesday comes on. See the third Wednesday, third, 1, 2, 3, 17. Okay, just try to do this using the calendar. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you.